In this video, I'll show you how to send an invoice on Wise using the app. First, open the Wise app and log in. On the home screen, make sure you're on a business account if you want proper invoices with your company details. Then look for options like Request, Get Paid, or Invoice. Depending on your version, the invoicing tools are usually under the section where you request money. Tap Create Invoice or Request Money. Choose who it's for by adding your customer's name and email address. Then fill in the invoice details, a short description of the service or product, the amount, the currency, and an optional due date or invoice number if you want to track it more easily. Next, review the payment options Wise will show. The invoice usually includes a payment link or bank details, so your customer can pay you by card or bank transfer, depending on their country. Check everything is correct, especially the currency and amount, then tap Send Invoice or Share Link. Your customer will receive an email with the invoice and a payment button. You can always go back into the Wise app, open Activity/Invoices/Requests, and see whether the invoice is paid, pending, or expired. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.